In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your profile for autofilling. If you fill out PDFs often, setting up autocomplete in Acrobat Reader can save you time and reduce typos by reusing what you've already typed. I'll walk you through exactly where to turn it on, what each option means, and how to keep your saved entries tidy. First, open Acrobat Reader and head to Preferences. On Windows, click the three-line hamburger menu at the top and choose Preferences. On macOS, go to the Acrobat Reader menu in the menu bar and select Preferences. This is where all the app's settings live, including the form filling options we need. In the Preferences window, look at the list on the left and select Forms. This section controls how Acrobat handles interactive fields in PDFs. Once you're in Forms, scroll to the bottom until you see the autocomplete area. This is the feature that remembers what you type and offers it back to you as suggestions the next time you fill out a form. Now enable autocomplete by choosing Basic or Advanced from the drop-down menu. Basic remembers text you enter into fields like names, company names, and street addresses. Advanced goes a step further and also remembers numerical data, such as zip codes and other number-based entries. If you need quick recall of numbers as well as text, choose Advanced. If you prefer a lighter touch and don't want numbers stored, Basic is the safer choice. With autocomplete on, the magic happens as you type. Start entering information into a form field, and Acrobat will display suggestions from what you've previously entered. You can click a suggestion or confirm it from the keyboard to fill the field instantly. This is especially helpful for repetitive forms where you reuse the same details. Over time, you might want to clean up or fine-tune what's saved. In that same autocomplete section, click Edit Entry List. Here you can review the collected entries, delete anything outdated, remove sensitive details you don't want suggested, or simply tidy up duplicates. Managing this list occasionally keeps suggestions relevant and prevents clutter. A quick note on privacy. Autocomplete is designed for convenience, but it's smart to avoid saving highly sensitive information. Choose the mode that matches your comfort level and your workflow. That's it. By opening Preferences, selecting Forms, enabling autocomplete in Basic or Advanced, and managing entries through Edit Entry List, you'll streamline your form filling process and work faster with fewer mistakes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save on your next PDF.